is common to get property in inheritance or will. Many people get property from grandparents and parents. 35-year-old Akhilesh Kumar works in an IT company in Gurugram. In the year 2016, he received 2 houses from his father. He does not understand whether any kind of tax is applicable on the inherited property. Also, when does an inherited property become taxable? We try to solve this confusion of Akhilesh. Usually, after the death of a person, his heir or heiress gets the property. The heir gets this property through a will or according to personal law. Personal law is used when a person dies without making a will. In such a situation, the property inherited from the parents or the family does not come under the purview of income tax, whether it is received as ancestral property or by will. Tax expert and chartered accountant Satyendra Jain explains that when you get property in will or succession, then no tax is levied on it. The advantage is that the cost of property when it is received from someone is considered as the cost of the house, and you get the benefit of indexation from the time it was bought. If the property is of before 2001, then what was the value of the property in 2001? By doing its valuation, it can be considered as the cost of the property. When will the tax on inherited property be levied? If the property is sold, then the proceeds from the property are treated as capital gains, whether the property is inherited by you or you have bought the property yourself. Liability of capital gains tax on the sale of immovable property, that is, property depends on when the person from whom you got the property bought it originally and for how much. The same will be the cost of the house, and the holding period will also count from then onwards. On the holding period of more than 2 years, long-term capital gains tax will be levied, whereas short-term capital gains tax is levied if the holding period is less than 2 years. So how much tax is levied on sale of property? For example, if a person dies within 2 years of the purchase of a property and the property is transferred to his heirs, the sale of the property will be subject to short-term capital gains tax. The sale proceeds will be added to the income of his heirs and will be taxed as per slab. If the holding period is more than 2 years, then after getting the benefit of indexation, long-term capital gains tax at the rate of 20% will be levied.